makes me money on Facebook. It makes me money on TikTok. Like right now, I'm going to take my breakfast. My breakfast, hold on baby girl, my gentleman, everything that you do is source of income, provided you have a smartphone. So whatever you see on Immaculate Show, please mujje mpola. Buli kintu kyonna ekyolaba ku Immaculate Show, fe tutwelaga, fe tutuwalana. In fact, we need you to be earning some money with your smartphone. Ebirala byonna biveeko, ebyobululu, ebona nsinga, obona tansinga biveeko. Mujje mbalage how you can do simple content even at the comfort of your home. Kwano nabagambi, anything you do provided you have a smartphone is content. Like now, I'm going to take my breakfast, it's content. Tomorrow was a nyelaga. No, I show you, but I earn money. I'm not showing you that I'm eating this, come and we eat this. No, but by the way, ebyamalala mubiveeko muleke tukole sente. Now, do you know my breakfast, my lunch makes me money? How does it make me money? It makes me money on Facebook. It makes me money on TikTok. Like right now, I'm going to take my breakfast. My breakfast is always simple. By that, I don't take twagobye sukari. So this is milk, like the way you can see. Do you want to earn money and you eat every day? But you complain over what does she do? No, when I tegera nava mu bintu byo complaininga, ningenda mu byo kwiga. Yes, ningenda mu byo kwiga nimanya. You mean me taking breakfast itself, apart from gaining in taking breakfast, I can make money? So kanakinja kukola. This one I'm going to put it on Facebook as you can watch it. I'm going to put it on TikTok as you can watch it as a video. And at the same time, I'm going to make it as a photo. Trust me. I'm going to be paid. It's not you who is going to pay me. But you should learn and watch and know that me taking my breakfast gives me money, and at the same time I'm earning. So like right now, let me show you my breakfast. This is a family breakfast. Okay, this is our simple, like mine. It's mashed potato. It's lettuce, mujita lettuce, lotus, whatever you call it. There's a small size of chapati. Then we have boiled, natural, without any oils, beef. Yeah, that's it. We can take some banana. This is what I'll take something. Meanwhile, tumonda wanongenda kukola kali munveko. So this is my milk tea without sugar still. Okay? Katulabe. I always use this milk. This is the milk that we use here. So, do you do any activity during the day? Do you eat food? What are you good at? If you don't eat food, you drink water, you're always on TikTok. What do you do on TikTok? You're always on Facebook. What do you do on Facebook? Come and we make money. Yes, that's it.